My name's Scott Elson and I'm VIP/end user support. I work with the team, showing them different technologies and different processes we might have. Always, it's very important to keep with my team a strong sense of IT security.
In our team, we regularly have training workshops covering topics, new technologies, and other relative skills.
At IPA, we have our own educational platform that we're able to either join an online session or an in-house session, whether that be a professional development seminar or a new technology that's just been released. We're able to learn about that. A lot of our new systems and technologies are hosted in the cloud, either as software as a service or platform as a service. This is really good for the new and emerging technologies, keeping up with the broader community of IT. This makes it easy to adapt and be flexible with the new solutions that are being developed outside of IPA and not have any compatibility issues. We have our own inbuilt system here which connects to Microsoft's LinkedIn training. This is great if you want to get certified for any upcoming Microsoft exams. I love being able to show off the technology IPA has. Recently I did a show and tell for the ITG branch about the new computers and the different functionalities and security available in it. This is really good because it lets people get their problems fixed quicker and solve it themselves, or get it escalated to the right team quickly and efficiently.
IP Australia's flexible working conditions mean that I can work at any time between 7 AM and 7 PM. I find this really great because I can just kind of pop off to appointments and stuff like that.
If anyone ever wants to start at a different time, we're always able to work something out. This is really good for people who work in different sections and able to work that in a way that pleases them around their schedule and timetable. We have a large number of workers at home. Even though they work at home, they're still entitled to flex and leave just like everyone else. IPA provide many people with an IPA the ability to work remotely. This is done on a case-by-case basis. It's really good that we give high acting and high achieving people within the service centre and other sections of IT the ability to act up, because this way they can find progression with the environment and not be inhibited or limited to their original position they started here.
You're interested in taking on a management course, if you're interested in doing acting, all of these things have been made available entirely to me, and I've been able to use them from time to time where they've fit in with my family circumstances.
I love working at IPA. The culture here is just fantastic. I feel relaxed, I feel at ease. I'm friends with many people from different departments here, and I just pretty much have a blast every time I come in today to work.